Well, there's only one way to see if anybody left us anything on the curb, and that's to drive there and check it out. So that's what we're doing. So leave in the comments if you guys scrap in the rain. It's raining pretty good here. It's supposed to turn to icy, snowy, wintry mix later. But let me know if you guys still find stuff, you know, scraps and stuff, or if it's just trash. So we're gonna go see if the rain deterred anybody from putting their stoves or microwaves to the curb, and bring you along with. Alright, first find of the day, a mud puddle. Yes sir. Well, we'll get it one way or the other. Maybe I should have just went through the water, huh? I feel like I'm getting further away. Nice bit of copper on there. All right. Well, we only got a little wet. What do you think? That at least pays for our gas. I think I've seen something poking out there. Let's see what it is. Box. Little piece of something. Dryer vent. Well, that'll certainly make me millions. Just like that. I was a millionaire. But only if I ride a scooter. Well, you know you're not finding anything when you resort to picking up stuff like that. There's not a lot out here. Maybe it's the rain. Maybe it's the impending snowstorm. Snowpocalypse. I don't know. There's nothing out here. Water heater and a wet mop. Lamp shade, no lamp. back at it again today. So whatever I find today, so this is a different day from the last couple of snippets that you just seen. It was raining just before all this crap fell from the sky, so I haven't been able to make it out between the snow and some other things and work. So we're gonna hit the same neighborhoods that you've seen 1,000 times on this channel. However, it's really one of the few days I can make it out, which, I mean, that's better than nothing, right? So I'll bring you back and see if we can find anything, I guess, right? I don't know. Busted up plastic, some aluminum. Guys, this is getting kind of old. Drive to town, find a little morsel here or there, if I'm lucky. It's just nothing. I don't know if it's the time of year, the snow. I mean, even before the snow, I wasn't finding a lot. So, I don't know. We'll see what we come across. Well, boys and girls, I think I finally found something. Whoops. Whoops. Every time I pick one of those up, that does that to me. You'd think I'd learn by now. Yeah, right. Microwave action. The dirty kind of microwave. Yay, more junk. The old Sonoma can handle that. So as you see, the water heater is still in there from the other day, which will still be this video, but I think sometimes some of these other scrappers fail to mention the size of town they scrap in, or possibly the fact that it's a college town and there's people constantly moving in, constantly moving out. This town is not one of those towns. These people pretty well live in the house that they're in. They don't move like some of these other places that some of these other guys run. Constantly find microwaves and stoves and you name it, furniture and more furniture of the metal kind. Anyway, not finding a whole lot. Not sure what the camera captured earlier. I was talking about, you know, coming out and not finding anything, and then the camera froze on me, so I don't know if it caught that or not, but it just kind of gets old coming out and not finding anything, or very little, I guess. Alright, well, we'll bring you back to find something else. Okay, well, kind of struck out on scrapping, so I came here to my local Goodwill And found some stuff here to sell on eBay. Got this blue Volvo mug. I absolutely hate dealing with mugs. However, these next ones, I have 5 of the same mug, all made by Anchor, vintage Indiana Pacers. Alright, so remember I have 5 of those. And this is what they're selling for. 2 of them for $50 plus shipping, and 1 for $40 plus $9.50 shipping. So best I can think is about $30 a piece times 5 plus shipping on each one. You know, take home about $25 a piece, $125. So that's I'm happy with that. Scrapping really sucked, but Goodwill, thank you. Thanks for paying for my lunch, paying for my dinner, whatever. So, appreciate you watching. Sorry it wasn't a very good video, but sometimes they just fall that way. So, see you next time.